Hey everyone, welcome back to The Collective, where we're going to talk about how to combat oily skin, mask edition. So last time we talked all about dry skin and how to get beautiful glowy skin all winter long. You can check that video out here. This time we're gonna talk about the opposite, how to combat oily skin in 6 easy steps. Stick around till the very end so I can give you my very favorite oil-free, life-changing oily skin tip. Okay, so let's talk about what is happening in our skin, especially now with our new normal. We're wearing masks and our skin is getting congested and there's sweat and debris and everything getting mixed together and it's clogging our pores. So in return, we're getting an overproduction of oil, we're getting acne, we're getting pimples, whatever it is, and it's happening to us now. So how do we get rid of that? So the most important step is step number 1, which is going to be broken down. So essentially it's 5 steps. But it is to have a good skin regime. So that's from cleanser to exfoliating to a moisturizer, and we're gonna run through that really quick today. So step number 1 for oily skin, you want to make sure that you're cleansing your skin day and night with a non-stripping cleanser. This means that you're not aggravating your skin and you're not over drying it, so your skin doesn't go into this mode where it's like, I need more oil. So we're going to show you an option for that. So a recommendation for a non-stripping cleanser that I absolutely love and it's pretty affordable is this Neutrogena. It's the Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser and it is hypoallergenic, it won't clog pores, it's so free, dye free, and it doesn't strip your skin. So this is a good option to use. And you're gonna use this day and night. Make sure that you're getting rid of all the things that are sitting on top of your skin throughout the day. Okay, so let's talk about why your skin is getting so oily. So in most simplified terms, we're gonna say that there is this thing called your sebaceous glands. And this is what's accountable for all the oil production, the sebum production, and this is what causes clogged pores. It is perfectly normal to have a normal rate, but once we hit puberty, it can go up to 500 times the production of sebum, which then can cause acne or anything like that. So as we age, most people get drier skin. However, there's a lot of people that still have really oily skin. And in order to combat that oiliness, we want to make sure that the skin is in a healthy, non-compromised manner. So we want to make sure we're not aggravating it and we're adding the things that it's used to combat that oil and not go into freak out mode and overproduce that oil. All right, so step 2. We want to exfoliate. I cannot stress how important it is to exfoliate, especially for oily skin types, because this is going to get rid of not only the dead skin cells that are sitting over top of your skin, but also all the extra buildup of the sebum and the oils and everything that's the gunk that's clogging up your pores. And we don't like gunk. So you can definitely use this toner that I recommended in my last video. It's an exfoliating toner. It's so awesome because it has the 6 different AHA and BHA acids that you need to work together to get rid of all the stuff that's clogging your pores. You can use this on the alternating days of the oil that I will recommend in this video because it does have vitamin C and we will explain why you can't use them together. Okay, so we've got our cleanser. We're exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week. Now we're gonna talk about a serum that you're going to integrate into your routine, and I'll recommend a really nice affordable one that you can just throw into your routine and make sure that your skin is looking flawless by the end of the week. So let's talk about niacinamide. I know you've probably heard about this ingredient everywhere. Niacinamide is actually such a great ingredient for oily skin and for the pores. It really does everything. And this particular product that I'm going to recommend, it's the Ordinary Niacinamide and Zinc, I believe. And it's only like, what, $6-7. It's awesome. And you can get it at Sephora, you can get it anywhere. You're gonna use this as your serum and you're gonna use it day and night. And the zinc is going to help balance out your oils, and the niacinamide is actually gonna help with pore size, evening out the skin. It's gonna do everything for your oily skin and you will thank me. So definitely add that to your routine. Number 4, and one of my second most important tips for oily skin. And you're probably gonna be like, Linda, you're a little bit crazy, but trust me, add an oil to your night routine. And I know you're thinking, oily skin, why would I add an oil? If your skin is overproducing oils and you're super oily throughout the day, what that can sometimes mean is that your skin is going into overproductive mode because it's not getting enough oil that it already needs. So when you kind of trick it and you add in the oils into it at nighttime, during the day, your skin will already have enough oils and it won't go into alert mode and think that it needs to overproduce the oils. And so it's actually gonna cut down the amount of oil it produces throughout the day drastically. Don't believe me, try it. So of course you're gonna have to try it for at least, a week and a half or so, a week. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But there is this oil that I definitely recommend. This one has vitamin C and salicylic acid. So you can definitely use another oil that's really great for the skin, but I love this one particularly for oily skin because I'm gonna show you. It comes out black, you rub it in and it disappears. Not only does it have your vitamin C and your salicylic that's going to continuously clear out your pores for oily skin and help with breakouts, but it also has turmeric, which is an anti-inflammatory, as well as charcoal, so that's the black that you see, and that's gonna extract any impurities. It also has argan oil, and it's so great for the skin. It's super nourishing. It's a dry oil. After you put it on your skin, you're going to put this as your last sealing kind of product on top of your moisturizer, which we'll talk about next. And you're going to make sure that this is going to be used at night. So you're just gonna use this at night. You don't wanna use it during the day. Now let's talk about what I said earlier. I was saying how if we do use the toner that I was explaining, the exfoliating toner with the AHA and BHA acids, then we don't wanna use anything with vitamin C. So if you are exfoliating with AHAs, you definitely want to make sure that you're doing it on alternating days, because normally vitamin C is neutralized by any AHAs. But in this formula right here, it is such a unique formula because it is one of the only formulas that I can find where the vitamin C doesn't get neutralized by the BHA. Last step to skincare, to get our oily skin regime all figured out, we're talking about a moisturizer. And I'm talking about this last because it is also very important to make sure that you're getting a moisturizer that is really lightweight, but at the same time super hydrating. Let's talk about a water-based moisturizer. So this water-based moisturizer is super lightweight. You can do any water-based moisturizer. It doesn't have a lot of drying alcohols, and as you can see, it soaks into the skin right away. Again, super lightweight, and we wanna make sure that we have that for our oily skin, especially during the day when our skin tends to get super oily. You can use this moisturizer day and night and then use your oil. So let's quickly recap with the skincare. So you're using a non-stripping cleanser day and night to get rid of all the debris and all the things that are making your pores and everything look thick and oily. Number 2, you're going to exfoliate your skin at least 2 to 3 times a week for your oily skin to make sure you're getting rid of all the dead skin cells, the sebum, all the extra oil and everything. I prefer a chemical exfoliant with AHAs and BHAs, so I would suggest a gentle toner. You can even do something a little bit more aggressive since you do have oilier skin, then it's not as sensitive as dry skin would be. Number 3, integrate a niacinamide zinc serum into your skin routine. So you can use this day and night after you do your face wash, and you're gonna just put it all over. Number 4, you're going to integrate an oil into your night routine after your water-based cleanser, which is number 5. You wanna make sure that it's gel textured and it sinks into your skin really nice and smooth so you're not creating too much oils on your skin during the day. Now, for the last step that you guys have all been waiting for, thank you for being so patient, let's talk about this one product that's going to help combat your oils for 12 hours. This right here is the Oil and Shine Control Primer by Smashbox, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Even if you're not wearing makeup throughout the day, especially with the mask, this comes out in like a gel texture. You can put this on after your moisturizer, rub that in, and it just disappears into your skin. It feels almost cloud-like. And ta-da, it's all gone. So What this has is it has zinc in it. So we talked about zinc. It's going to balance out the oils. It also has a low grade of salicylic acid and witch hazel. So it's gonna control your oils throughout the day for 12 hours long. It is time release. So as your skin starts to produce oil, it's going to zap that and get rid of that. So use this product. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. I have honestly shown so many people this product and they've absolutely loved it. Not only is this going to help combat the oil throughout the day, but it's also going to help combat acne. So because of the salicylic acid in the witch hazel, it's definitely going to help clear out the pores. That's all I have for you guys today. Till next time, like, subscribe, interact, let me know what you want to see next, and we'll see you guys soon. Blah, 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 blah.
Du blah blah.
Omelette du fromage.
Omelette du fromage.
Stop, you guys are making me cry.
Okay, we're just kidding.
My eyeliner is already coming off.
I want this.
Last part, come on. We could do this.